This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Blake Roberts. You do not want to miss this beautiful home located in the heart of Winter Haven. This well-maintained home has many upgrades such as 10 high ceilings, a new 50-year terracotta roof that was installed in 2018, a new 50-gallon water heater that was installed in 09-2022, a new Cuttler Hammer 200-amp electrical panel installed in 2015, a new carrier AC unit that was replaced in 2016 along with 2 new UV lights that were installed in the air handler in 09-2022. All duct work was recently cleaned and sanitized in 09-2022, and let's not forget to mention the pool. What is a house without a pool in Florida, especially in those hot summer months? Even more, the pool pump was replaced in 2021 and the pool heater was replaced in 2020. The list just goes on, and the great thing is the owner has almost every receipt to show upon request. This house is priced to sell and will not last long. Book your appointment today to come see this gorgeous Florida home before it is gone. Ceiling fans shown in the pictures in the living room and rear lanai do not convey. For more information, review the details below or contact Blake Roberts at 813-527-8218.